Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host on Intellect, and today we have a very different product here to unbox, and this is a very new product, the new MacBook Pro 15-inch 2019 refreshed model. Although it looks exactly the same as the last year's MacBook Pro, but what has changed is largely two things. The keyboard has gotten an upgrade, and the processor lineup is new. There are also some changes on the inside, including the new fans that have been added to this unit. So the 2019 new MacBook Pro comes with new fans, new processor, new keyboard, and there are some other slight changes in terms of how it handles the CPU thermals, so that it gives you a more uniform performance. The processor that it gets is the ninth generation Intel, and it comes with 8 cores, which is a major upgrade. And good thing is, to sweeten the deal, the newest MacBook Pro 2019 512GB model is less expensive compared to the last year's 512GB model and comes with a better processor. So if you are thinking of picking up an old one, yes, they are still in stock. If you're getting them for a bargain, you can definitely pick them up, but please mind it that the new ones come at a cheaper price, so you actually may end up getting a better deal on the new one if you look for some discounts or deals. I have picked it up on a credit card and I've got some good deal, so which is why I decided to go for the new one. And let me quickly unbox this and show you how it looks. This is the space gray color 15-inch model, the base 512GB. I have not done any configuration on this, and this is how it looks. I particularly like the darker color, which is why I have picked up the space gray. And this is the familiar Apple logo. I'll keep this to the side and show you what else is in the box, and then we'll get back to the MacBook. Here you have a Type-C to Type-C USB cable for charging, and here you have some documentation. This is the standard set of documentation and with some Apple stickers that you get. And here you have the charger. This is the 87 watt charging brick that you get with it. It's quite heavy. In fact, I wasn't expecting this one to be so heavy. I have the 2015 model and does not feel this dense, but this one does feel quite dense. And this is the connector which goes at the end of this charging brick. And that's all in the box. There is nothing else here. Let me get back to the MacBook. Let's keep everything aside and move back to the laptop. And this here is the 2019 MacBook Pro 15-inch model. There is this sheet between the screen and the keyboard, and you can see that it's booting up. The trackpad is huge, as you can see, and this is the keyboard. What has changed in the keyboard compared to the previous generation is that it has gotten a newer silicone layer underneath this new butterfly keyboard, and the thermals have been improved. So when the thermals improve, the failure of this keyboard, which was earlier happening due to the heat, is now resolved. So things have improved as Apple claims, but we'll get to know it only after we test it for some time. On either side of the keyboard you can see these grills, and these are the speaker grills. And there is MacBook Pro branding here near the hinge, and as you can see, this finishing is quite clean. On this side you have a 3.5mm audio port and two USB Type-C Thunderbolt ports, and on this side as well you have two Thunderbolt ports. And that's all in terms of ports that you get. And the bottom is also fairly clean. Nothing is removable or user removable or replaceable. Most of the things, including the RAM, etc., everything is soldered to the motherboard. So once you pick it up, you hardly have any options to configure or upgrade anything in terms of hardware. And this model also comes with this touch bar. So all the top function keys are gone, and the touch bar is context sensitive, which means that whichever app you are using, this touch bar will behave according to that app. So this is a quick unboxing and a quick first look at the MacBook Pro 2019 newest model, and I'll be using it for a couple of weeks and coming back to you with my review and my experience of this machine. And since I'm upgrading from a 2015, so I will have a fresh perspective to share with you if you're upgrading to a newer Apple machine, how it feels like. This is all we have on quick unboxing video. We hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button below, and for more such videos, stay subscribed, press that bell icon to get the latest video updates, and most likely we'll be editing this video on this machine only once we get it up and running and get the data migrated from the older one. So this is all we have on this one. Stay subscribed. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.